the universe. You're bigger than the sun and the stars. You're bigger than the things, oh, that could tear me apart. You're bigger than the universe. You're bigger than the sun and the stars. You're bigger than the things, oh my, that could tear me apart. For I know you're great in all the earth. For I know you're great in all the earth. You're bigger. You're bigger than the problems I face. You're bigger than the disasters I've seen. You're bigger.
How was your journey?
Yeah, man, to say that the journey was easy, I will be lying. It was difficult, but it was worth it. And I thank God that after all, we show that if we are trusting Him, everything is possible.
Bigger than the things, bigger than the things that could tear me apart. Oh, for I know you're great, great in all the earth.
My name is Makosonke Daniel Nkonde. I am officially an LLB law student. Originally, I'm coming from the side of Mpumalanga called Piva. Through the support of my parents, especially my mom to mention, she has been so supportive to me, and through her belief in me, I managed to be where I am. I will say Mom just allowed me to come to Pretoria, and we had nothing to say that now I managed to come here, but through the support she was there, financially and emotionally she was always there supporting me. So through God's grace I managed to be where I am. So I would like to just give glory unto God. I would like to say if it was in Him, I wouldn't have managed to be where I am. So, but because of His grace, I managed. So yeah, throughout the journey then, I had to work as a security, because now I had to provide myself. There was no one who was providing for me. So I had to work somewhere as a security, and that's where now I had to take some of the money and put it to pay for my fees. That's where the difficulty was. So now as an official law graduate, I would like to say that I see myself the upcoming years being admitted as an attorney, and then I will continue then to work as an attorney. I want to represent people. I want to stand for people to get justice. That's what I'm fighting to do, and for sure I will ensure that I achieve that dream. I would like to encourage each and every person who dreams to become something in life. But please, no matter what comes in your way, it's possible. There is no magic. There is nothing that you can say which maybe you should do. There is nothing that is a secret. The only secret that I can tell you is please hard work, focus, and know what you want in life. Because so many people, they are being distracted because they don't know what they want in life. So I would like to encourage people to say, please, no matter what, be focused in life and ensure which now you are looking where you want to be in life.